Today we will learn numbers with colors. First, let's border it with black color. This is black color. We are going to border the number 0. Yes. We are done bordering the number 0. Now we will border the number 1. We are also done bordering the number 1. Now let's border 2. Now let's border the number 3. Now next is 4. And now the number is 5. We will border the number 5. Next number is 6. We will border the number 6. Next number is 7. Next number is 8. We will also border the number 8. Next is the number 9. Now we are done bordering all the numbers. Now we will color the numbers. Let's color 0 with the color green. And today we will also learn colors. This is green color. We are going to color 0 with the color green. We are done the number coloring with green. And next number is 1. So let's color 1 with the color blue. We are also done coloring the number 1 with blue. Let's color the number 2 with pink. This is pink color. We are also done with the number 2 with pink color. And the next number is 3. Let's color the number 3 with orange color. Orange color. Orange color. Next number is 4. We will color the number 4 with yellow color. We are done with the number 4. Now we will color the number 5 with purple color. Number 5 with purple color. The next number is 6. We are going to color the number 6 with dark blue. Ooh, this is the color dark blue. We will color it with the number 6. We are also done coloring the number 6 with dark blue. Now we will color the number 7 with dark green. Dark green. We are also done the number 7 coloring with dark green. Which color should I color with the number 8? Let's color it with this color. Red color. This doesn't look like red, but it is dark orange. Now the next number is 9. We will color the number 9 with red color. This is the red color. Yeah. We are done coloring all the numbers. Now let's repeat all the numbers with their color. 0 number with green, 1 with the color blue, 2 with the color pink, 3 orange, 4 yellow, 5 purple, 6 dark blue, 7 dark green, 8 dark orange, and 9 red. Bye friends. Hope you like the video and please like, share and subscribe.